QuickBooks, we are going to Activo. So we are on Activo. Great.
Correct.
Okay, we have, you said you recorded all the transactions. So this 8 to review, this is for the month of May, right?
Right.
Okay, and here, okay. So if we are, okay, now we have these two credit card. One is the Squid Bank of America credit card and the other one is the corporate Visa card. If we look into the corporate Visa card here, then you see we have only two receive transaction here, like, and purchase finance shares, one purchase finance shares here, right? Only three transaction here, okay, in the bank feed. But if we look at the bank statement, if we look into the bank statement, right, we see we have good amount of transactions, right? You see
I
we
see.
have good amount of transactions here. So because we have good amount of transactions, why they are not, and this bank account is connected in QuickBooks, it is connected, we get the feed, right? Then why it is we do not get the bank feed? Do you have any idea?
I think these are payment from clients, and we recorded only one, just only one payment.
Sorry.
I guess is because so
Okay.
the reason why QuickBooks is not recognizing all these small transactions, I don't know. But what I think is maybe we set up everything, or the client set up everything to record only the total amount received from the clients.
Okay. This is what is happening. Okay, look at this. I don't know, my internet is slow.
Yeah, it's slow.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I have 26 megabytes, so maybe you need to log out, and I don't think that you need to log out. That's not a problem.
Let me try. I'm out.
Yeah, maybe that was the reason. Okay, so you see, we are talking about the account. We are talking about this Bank of America
Visa.
corporate Visa 5963. Now 5963. So this is 5963, but actually this under this account. So if you click, if I click here, this is what happens. This is what happens. Okay, so these are the 5 accounts that we have. This is the 5 accounts. Now for this account, for this Business Credit Express Corporate, this is a credit line. For this credit line, they have a card, they have a Visa card, and that card number ends with 0723. Okay, so this is the card account and this is the corporate account. Again,
Right.
this is the corporate account and this is the card account. Okay, now when it was connected with QuickBooks, he connected this corporate one, not the card one. Now in the corporate one, all the payment, the deposit goes to the corporate. The payment to the card goes to the corporate, but the charges that gets posted on the credit card statement. Okay, so for that reason, these charges are not in this in QuickBooks. Okay, so
I see.
that's the problem. Okay, that's the problem we identified. Now what is the solution to this problem? So the solution to this problem is, we also have, like, if that's the problem, that's fine. Okay, so the solution to the problem is, okay, give me 1 minute, I'm going to get to the solution here. Inside the from server, we have downloaded the activity report, like so the Excel, the activity, all the activity, we have downloaded that. Okay, so if that was the problem, now this is the solution. So we know that, okay, what are the transactions. So what we are going to do here, we are going to create a file. To import all these transactions into QuickBooks, right?
This is what I was going to ask you if you can import it.
Yeah, so we are going to import all the transactions into QuickBooks. So, and we are going to put, like, we have 2 dates. We have this posting date and we have the transaction date. Which date are you going to take? Which date are you going to take? The transaction date or the posting date? I'll
The
take the
transaction
posting.
date.
I'll take the posting date, because that's how you get this transaction on the statement. So that's when you get the transaction on the statement. Okay, so I'm going to go with the
Yeah.
statement date. Yeah,
The posting day is the day the bank take the
yeah,
money from the.
that is correct. Like, for example, this transaction, like, you see this 1499. Do you see this 1499?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
so this is the transaction that was this is the previous period, because the period, if you look into QuickBooks, if you look here, then you can see this. Okay, go to register, then you can see that, okay,
I can see your QuickBooks screen.
you cannot see my QuickBooks screen.
I only see the Excel file.
It will load. Maybe the internet is slow, that's why.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
okay. Now I see it.
Yeah, so in QuickBooks, in the register, you see this is reconciled through 326.
Yeah, the closing day of the car.
Yeah, but here on the Excel file, this is a transaction of 326. Then why it is not reconciled? Why it is here? Because it was not posted on the statement. The previous statement we have, if you look at the statement, then the statement period is from March 27. So because it was posted on the statement on March 27, so it was not posted on the previous statement. It is posted on the current statement. So we are going to take the posting date as our date.
Okay.
Description. So from here we are going to take the description as our description. Amount. Now here we have all the amounts, but they're positive, but actually they're charges, they're payments. So what we need to do, we need to put the amount as negative. So this is how I do this. Okay, so these amounts are all negative. Okay, and then
Okay.
this is okay, this is ready. Then I need to save this file, and I need to save this as an import file, and the CSV
How do you
format.
do that? Import file.
Yeah, I just rename the file as import 2020.026 2020.04.26 statement. I'm going to record this call, so don't worry. You can see this later.
Okay.
So I rename this file and saved in the same place. So what happened? This creates a file like this name changed to import 2020.04.26 statement. So now I'm going to go to QuickBooks, and now I'm going to go here and
Call the file.
import that data, import data.
This feature, it wasn't in the QuickBooks I worked with years ago.
Bank
Importing
data.
data.
It was not there in QuickBooks Desktop, no?
QuickBooks Desktop, no.
Uh,
To import files, Excel files with transactions, and we couldn't do that.
yeah, okay. So I think it was there. I don't know. Like okay. Maybe I don't know that. Okay.
Or maybe we never used it. Sometimes you have a tool, but you don't use it.
Yeah. So in Activo 2020 bookkeeping, and then we have this Bank of America corporate visa. Inside corporate
Corporate
visa, we have
visa.
activity report, and you see we have this import. This is the file that we just prepared. So we're going to,
There's an import file for every month.
yeah, that is correct. So now we need to map the account. So this is for the Bank of America corporate, like Bank of America corporate visa, this one. Next. And then once you map the correct account, then it is going to ask you map the account field, like for each account field. So the on the file, I have a date, and this date should match with date here. And what is the date format I have? Month, day, year. So month, day, year. Okay, so that's fine. The description is description.
The American
Yeah,
format.
the American format. And the description is description. The amount is, I have the amount in the amount column here. So amount is in the amount column, and my column, even though I don't have a positive number in my Excel file, but that's fine. I might have a positive number. Maybe there is a positive number, because if there is I'm not so sure if there is a positive number in this month. No, most likely no. But sometimes even in the charge, on the charge part of the statement, you will see a positive number, because if there is a refund, then you will see a positive number, right? So
Right.
we may have both positive and negative in the same column. So I'll say, yeah, in the same column we have both positive and negative, and then I'll go to next. Then it will show you that, okay, what are the transactions that you are going to import. So these are the transactions that I'm going to import. Like I'm going to import transactions from 4/6 I have like, okay, no, this is not correct. Okay, we have different dates. So this is showing me the dates, this is showing me the descriptions, and this is showing me the amounts. If you think that, okay, you do not want to import this transaction, you can check that out. But here we are sure that we need to import all the transactions, so we're clicking on next. Then yes, the 32 transactions we have, and you can check, okay, if you have 32 or not. You see the count is 33, and if you in this count we're also counting the header, so actually we have 32. So the 32 transactions are imported. Let's go. Now so we can go to the banking. Okay, so you have these transactions here, you need to match them or you need to record them. So you need to do that. Okay.